Okay, in this video, we are going to solve this limit problem. And the first thing that I like to do first is try plugging in 0 to see what happens. Is equal to, I plug in a 0 here, I get a 0 in the numerator. Now I try the denominator, 0 plus 4, close parentheses, squared, minus 16. And let's see what we get. So the numerator is 0, denominator is 4 squared is 16. 16 minus 16 is also 0. So we have 0 divided by 0. And 0 divided by 0, big red flag, so we need to try to do something else in our toolkit. And in the description box, I have a playlist of specific limit problems where I go over different types. That's a pretty good playlist. There's also a playlist of random limit problems. So it didn't work, so what I would recommend doing is expanding this piece out. So we will rewrite this as x approaches 0, parentheses, the numerator, we get to keep it. This piece we want to expand it, x plus 4 times x plus 4, because here it was x plus 4 squared, so they're equivalent, minus 16. So then we're going to want to expand this piece, so limit of x approaching 0, the numerator is still x, denominator x times x is x squared, x times 4 is 4x, 4 times x is 4x, 4 times 4 is 16. And here we still had a minus 16. So let me actually put a line right here. Close parentheses. The next step is to kind of group and combine some stuff. So we have our limit of x approaching 0, parentheses, numerator is x, denominator we have an x squared, 4x plus 4x is 8x, and 16 minus 16 is 0. So it got canceled. Close parentheses. Our next step, we have an x squared plus 8x, so x is common, so we can factor out an x. So we can rewrite it as limit of x approaching 0, parentheses, x in the numerator, divided by x, parentheses, x plus 8, close parentheses, and let's try it. X times x is x squared, x times 8 is 8x. So we can get rid of the x, so cancel, cancel. We have limit of x approaching 0, parentheses, 1 divided by x plus 8. At this point, we can plug in 0, and we would get 1 divided by 0 plus 8, which is just 1 over 8. And this right here is our final answer. Again, in the description box, there's a playlist of different limit series. There's one based on categories, and there's one based on like random problems like this. And that's pretty much it for this video.